Hey guys, we're going to review our letters that we've learned so far. So remember, the letter A was for the alligator who popped out. Miss Hendry said, ah. A says, ah. B was Miss Hendry was walking in the field and she saw a bee and she said, it's a bee. The letter B says, b. C is for cat. Miss Hendry had a lot of cats and there was a kitty cat on her head and it started coughing up a hairball. Because C says, D is for dog. Miss Hendry's dog was running in the yard, and he started digging a hole, and he started digging dirt on her. Dirt all over her. D says d. E is for elephant. Mama elephant said, come here, baby elephant. The baby elephant said, eh? F is for Miss Hendry was in the forest, and a fox ran by, and he saw her fire, and he came up and he said, F says, ah. G is for the goats that got out of the pasture. Miss Hendry said, oh no, I'm out of here. And the goats chased her. And then the goats came back into the gate and they drank some water and said, g, 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 g. G says, g, g, g. H is for the horse in the pasture. And he was running all over the place, running all over the place. Oh, and he fell down. And he said, because H says, bye guys.